Let's get one thing straight, we're living in an AI gold rush. This year alone, tech companies are to spend somewhere between $300 to $400 billion on artificial intelligence. That's more money than any group of companies has ever spent on anything in history. But here's the catch, they're not even close to making that money back, and that's why some experts are saying out loud what most people are only whispering: the AI bubble might be about to burst. Speculation runs the world now. It's not about building sustainable businesses anymore, it's about hype. We saw it with the dot-com bubble in the early 2000s, we saw it again in 2008 with a credit crunch, and then crypto bubble in 2017. And of course now the same energy around AI. Half of last quarter's GDP growth literally came from AI infrastructure spending. More than half of recent stock market gains came from companies tied to AI. And yet no one's really making money from AI products directly, not at scale. That's the red flag. And when bubbles get this big, they always pop. Even Mark Zuckerberg has hinted at it. On a recent podcast, he admitted that yeah, AI could very well be a bubble. But his logic is if you don't invest now and superintelligence shows up sooner than expected, you'll be left behind forever. So to him, it's worth spending billions even if a lot of it goes up in smoke. Risking hundreds of billions is better than missing up the boat completely, right? And honestly, that's the mentality across Silicon Valley right now. Throw money, build hype, pray you don't miss the wave. Now this is where it gets interesting. If the AI bubble bursts, and it probably will, most people think it will be a disaster for tech. Stocks will crash, investors will run, and projects will be abandoned. But for coders, developers, and actual builders, this could be the best thing that ever happens. Right now, most of the AI industry is built on speculation. Fancy demos, billion-dollar GPU farms, press releases about the future. But after the bubble pops, what's left are the real useful, valuable things. After the dot-com crash, Amazon survived, Google survived, and that's what the real internet economy was built on. And when the AI hype dies down, companies won't be throwing billions at shiny demos. They'll be desperate for practical coders who can build real tools, secure real systems, and solve real problems. Now here's my hot take. AI isn't killing programming jobs, the economy is. Companies are cutting roles left and right, not just because of AI, but because of high interest rates, shaky markets, and investors chasing quick returns. But when the bubble bursts, all that speculation money will dry up, and suddenly people will realize, oh wait, we actually need developers, we need the people who can make this tech work in the real world. We need builders who aren't just hyping AI, they are making it useful. That's where coders win, because unlike hype, code doesn't lie, either it runs or it doesn't. So should coders be scared of an AI bubble? Honestly, no, the crash won't kill coding, it will make it matter more than ever.